In this video, I'll show you how to create cool call-out boxes in Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open notion.com on your browser. Sign in to your Notion account with your preferred sign-in method. Once you're signed in, go ahead and head over into the workspace where you want to add that cool call-out box. So click on that under the private section. Now, once you're on your workspace, go ahead and look for a section where you want to add this call out. So go ahead and look for that. And then once you have found a section where you want to add it, go ahead and enter /call out. So once you enter /call out and click on it, this will pop on your screen. So in here, you can go ahead and customize the icon that you have for this call out. You can also change the background text and the background color. So as you can see, you can select from this emojis available on Notion. You can also select from the icons available on Notion, and you can also upload your personal icon for this. You can change the color of the text along with the color of this specific block. So to change the color of the block, you need to click on this 6 dots icon at the left side and then select color. And then you can go ahead and select the background color that you prefer for this call out. You can also select the color of the text from there. Make sure to customize and tailor fit the color of the background and text depending on the theme that you're going for this specific workspace. So to make it look better, go ahead and make sure to turn on the light mode on your Notion workspace. And that is how you can basically create cool call out boxes in Notion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.